everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on this Echinacea with pencils. And in the next video we are going to be painting this in watercolor. I hope you're having a good time with me and this drawing. I'm going to use HB and 4B pencils and eraser, rubber and regular eraser. So let's get to it. First, I'd like to go over the basic shape and shape of the flowers. Here is my reference photo. I will only pick these 3 flowers here. 1, 2, 3 flowers. It should be easier to understand and draw it. For the petals, the petal shapes are like a long and thin leaf shape, right? Long and deep shape. Okay, I'll be placing flower here. Here is first one, and second one, and third one. Okay, so I'll be placing flower here and here, and draw over first, and over in the size you want. Draw over as much big as you want. If you want bigger size or draw a small size. Okay, I'm gonna decide this one is the main flower and 2 of flower is second and third flower. And so we're gonna use the 4th step of the drawing. First, draw over, and next, get in place the petal and flowers head area. This is the flower head area and petal here. So settle the center of the flower and draw some lines from center to edge, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5 more. Okay, center and draw these petals one by one, like this. Like this. Here is the center. And 4th step, for the top of the flower here, it looks like a strawberry shape, right? And draw some spiky something. There are a lot of sharp things with their look like spike, right? Something like this. Okay, like this. Okay, almost make sure the shape. Okay, and 5th step. Next step is going to shading. Okay. Okay, next step is going to be shading. So I will keep to use HB pencil. This is HB pencil. First, we have to find out where the sun is from. So I decide sun from here, top right side. Okay. And so light is coming from this way, so shadow is will be here, slightly left lower side. Okay, let's start to shading. Let's start to shade simply. Okay, I'm going to try first main flower. Give them some brand use straight lines. You can use straight line and curve line. You can use for shading, use some straight line and curve line, and sometimes using blending pencil, blending paper and pencils. Okay, I want to give them some depth, so I switch the pencil. This is the 4B pencil. Before we draw some shade, some detail, we're gonna do in before we detail something, we make sure the light area and dark area basic shading. Okay. And these between petals, leave them some white space there. Okay, next I want to make some detail, make some spike here. Actually, here is the light area, so spikes value is a little bit lighter than here. Here is the dark area, so spike density is the dark value, and here is the light area. So we need to the light value is the light spike light, and make sure this eraser, the tip, make very sharp, and erase some area on the top of the top side of the flower. Okay. Here is the highlight area. Take out some pencil lines. In the petal has many lines, so we need to draw some line center to edge. And make sure that this shadow. Here is most important thing is the flower head meets the flower feather. Here is the darkest area here. Okay. And clean up the outside of the flower. And lastly, we have to do something. If you have some edge line still here, you have to do erase that lines. Looks more natural looking and three-dimensional look. Okay, and we finish the first flower, and second, third, we are going to use as same pencils, same and technique, yeah, as we paint, we draw this first pattern. Okay. we need to lastly draw stem center to go down. Make sure this and this flower like this here, and this one is like that, and draw some leaves. I'm not going to leaves shading, so like this, and another one. Okay. Okay, we are all done this painting. We are gonna try in next video. We will paint in watercolor. Okay, I had a good time and I hope you had a good time with me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.